Righto, today's cook, got a couple of racks of baby back ribs from Sinclair Meats. A binder, I'm going to go with the 5th season black garlic mustard. I'm going to hit one of the racks with the Lexi Ray's This Little Piggy. The other rack I am going with the Sinclair Meats Double Decade Dust. So these guys have done their own rub, available in store. Go and grab yourself a shaker. It's good. Let's get into it. Controversial opinion, I don't bother removing the membrane, I just score it. I'll let these sit in the fridge for a couple of hours and then they'll go in the cooker. Our pork came out of the fridge about half an hour ago. I've got Masterbuilt set to a 240 Fahrenheit. A couple of chunks of cherry and a chunk of ironbark in the hopper. So let's get these guys started. Ribs have been in for a couple of hours now, so I'm happy with the bark and how that's going. So we're going to wrap these with a little bit of maple syrup and some butter and put them back in for about another hour and a half or thereabouts. Meat side down. Back in the cooker. Our ribs have been wrapped and back in the Masterbuilt at about 240 Fahrenheit or 115 degrees. Been back in there about an hour and 45 minutes. So we're just going to test them, see if we're probe tender yet. What we're looking for is basically that probe tender around about that 90 degree mark. They're feeling pretty good. They're a bit over 90 degrees. So let's bring them out for a baste. We've had these meat side down through the wrap. We'll flip them back over for the baste, keeping it pretty simple. Just going with some Salis smoked bourbon barbecue sauce for this glaze. So these will only need another half an hour or so just until that glaze sets and then they're good to go. These are looking fantastic now. So let's pull them out.